Hi, so in today's video you're going to learn about how you can make money with Google AdSense without writing posts. So to actually make money with Google AdSense, you are required to have a blog and you're required to be writing content almost every day or every week or every month for you to make money, and you're supposed to bring in traffic. But what if I told you that there's actually a way of making money with Google AdSense without writing posts and without looking for traffic? Well, to know more, simply watch this video till the end so that you can understand better. So the playlist on how to start a profitable blog or website that generates money for you 24/7 now has about 51 videos and has everything you need to know on how you can start a blog. The content in this playlist will help you in everything you need to know to succeed and to prevent you from making mistakes I made, because everything in here is straightforward and is based on my 3 years experience. Okay, so if you'd like to create a blog on your own, start by watching all the videos in this playlist. Okay, so now let's get started. So how do you actually make money with Google AdSense without writing posts, okay, and without struggling looking for traffic? So I said that I've got a better way you can actually do this, and this is what this video is all about. So how do you do this? Okay, so to make money with a website without having to write posts and looking for traffic is by creating something which is called a SaaS, or software as a service. So what is a software as a service? I'm sure we all use software as a service every day, but we just do not know that this is actually a software as a service. So let me just show you some examples of software as a service. So what are some of the examples used every day? For example, Netflix is a software as a service. We use the platform to watch videos. Spotify is a software as a service. I use it to listen to music. Canva is a software as a service and I use it to make my YouTube thumbnails. Roman 5 is a software as a service. I use it to make videos without having to show my face, without convert articles to videos and so on. Buffer is also a software as a service. I use it for my social media management, to auto posts from my website to my social media platforms. Then MailChimp is a software as a service I use to send emails to my email subscribers. So I'm sure by now you should have understood what a software as a service is. So a software as a service is like these platforms we use every day to do other stuff, but platforms like this cost money to use them, but some cost free. Some, instead of paying for them, they have got adverts, like they've monetized them with Google AdSense. Some they are completely free, some require a subscription. But in today's video, we're going to learn about how you can actually make money on Google AdSense without having to write posts. So to do that, you have to create a SaaS. Okay, so you have to think of an idea. What would you make that people would love to use and come back every day? Because when you have a blog and when you write a post, someone is going to read that post once and is never going to come back to read that post again. But when you create a SaaS, every day people are going to be coming back to use the website, every day going to be coming back. So I think a SaaS is better than a blog, because once someone reads a post, that person won't come back again to the same post. But if it's a software as a service, for example, Canva, so I use Canva almost every day, so I come back to Canva every day to make thumbnails. I'm sure I'm not alone, so there are other people who come to use Canva. So what if you would create a platform like Canva, but it without a subscription? Let's say you make all the features free, but you only monetize them with Google AdSense, so you would still make money. These are the examples of software as a service. So if you do not have any unique idea you would start, you can create any example from these given here, just make them better than this. So maybe you might be asking yourself, how do I create a platform like this? Well, I myself am a web developer, so if you would like something like this, simply contact me and I will help you from there. Okay, so here are the 6 simple software as a service you can make on WordPress. Okay, so once you watch all the videos in this playlist, you're going to be familiar with how WordPress works and how to use plugins. Okay, so these are the simple SaaS you can try to make on WordPress. So the first one you can make on your own without having to hire a developer is a marketplace website. So what is the marketplace website? So a marketplace website is a website like eBay where people can sign up, buy stuff, sell stuff and so on. So this is a software as a service. You can charge fees on what people sell, or you can just monetize your website with Google AdSense. So a marketplace will be highly advertised by the vendors. So those vendors who want to make sales will advertise your website on your behalf and receive traffic. Okay, so this is something you can make on WordPress. It's very easy, so I might make a tutorial about it if someone is interested. The other thing you can make on WordPress is a freelance marketplace. So what is a freelance marketplace? This is a place like Fiverr where you can hire people to do simple tasks and so on. This is also possible on WordPress. You can do it with certain plugins. The other thing you can do on WordPress is file sharing. So file sharing is more like a Dropbox and so on. If you've got a large server, you can do all this whereby you can be hosting people's files on your own website, monetize your website with Google AdSense. The more people come to your website, the more money you make. Actually, there's an example for this one. There's the site I like using. It's called ufile. It's called ufile.io. Okay, so this is an example of a website where you share files. So as you can see, this is a Google AdSense advert, and all you have to do is just upload files over here. Okay, and as you can see, more than 400 million file downloads and more than 9 million file uploads, and has got more than 1 million registered users. So as you can see, this website really receives a lot of people every day, and it is making money without people having to pay for anything. Okay, yeah. So the other thing you can do is create a forum. So what is a forum? A forum is more like a group chat where people can chat. Okay, there are other forums which I've seen, they also have got Google AdSense monetized, so you can create a forum. The other thing you can do on WordPress is a music streaming. I know some music streaming sites there which allow you to listen to music for free, but they've got adverts. This can also help you. The other thing you can do is you can create an e-learning platform on WordPress. So I've actually tried doing this, not until I moved to YouTube. So at first I used to make videos, upload them to my website, and people watch videos from my website and then monetize my website with Google AdSense. But for now, I moved all videos to my YouTube channel, where they can learn better and follow better. And my website is now only for posts. So these are some simple software as a service you can make on WordPress to make money. Yeah, so I think this is it about today's video. So today's video is about how you can make money with Google AdSense without having to write posts. Okay, so this is a big challenge for many people. This is what they're scared of. People are scared of writing posts because it takes time, and it takes time to rank, it takes time to get traffic, it takes time to make money. But by creating a good software as a service, this is no longer a problem, because traffic, you won't worry about traffic. All you have to do is get a few people, and those people will bring other people. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. If you have a question, feel free to comment. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. See you in the next video.